Namaskar, I am Dr. K. Nagaratna, Head Meteorological Center, Hyderabad. Today I am going to give you a brief review of the weekly weather during past 1 week, 24th June to 30th June, and the weather forecast for next 2 weeks over Telangana up to 14th July. The main synoptic features over Telangana state during past 1 week is a cyclonic circulation lies over Jharkhand and its neighborhood and moved over to coastal Andhra Pradesh and across interior Odisha, extending up to 1.5 kilometers above mean sea level. And a cyclonic circulation lay over South Odisha and neighborhood between 0.9 kilometers to 2.5 kilometers above mean sea level on 26th, has lay over coastal Andhra Pradesh and neighborhood and extends up to 0.5 kilometers, 4.5 kilometers above mean sea level, tilting southwards with height on 27th. Mainly low level westerlies and northwesterlies prevail over the state on 24th and 25th June, and mainly southwesterlies prevail over the state on 29th June 2021. The spatial distribution over Telangana shows that during first week there had been rainfall of light to moderate rains and at times heavy rainfalls on 24th and 25th. 27th, 28th, under the influence of the upper air cyclonic circulation over coastal Andhra Pradesh and its adjoining areas, has moved westwards, and this caused widespread rainfall activity, and an active monsoon season was seen during that period. The chief amounts of rainfall greater than 7 centimeters in Telangana. On 24th June, Gandhari recorded 8 centimeters, Tadwai 8 centimeters, Manchiryal recorded 9 centimeters, Kodagantla 9 centimeters, Narameta 9 centimeters, Kottaguda 8 centimeters, Ramagundam 8, Devarappal 8, Bhuvangiri 7, Palakurti 7, Nedumnuru 7, Timmapur 7, Kollapur 7, Kanpur 7 on 27th June. On 28th June, Ramanapeta received very heavy rainfall in Bhuvangiri district, about 13 centimeters, Dilwarpur 13 centimeters, Bath 12 centimeters, and few places have received heavy rainfall greater than 7 centimeters. On 29th, Ella Reddy in Kamareddy district received 8 centimeters. On 27th, 25th and 26th June and 30th June, there was nil rainfall with very less activity. This is the week ending situation. Rainfall percentage departures from normal for districts of rainfall. If we see that during past 1 week, actual rainfall was 50.9 millimeters against the normal of 38.4 millimeters of rainfall, which is showing an above normal long period average of 33% over the state. Out of 33 districts, 13 districts received large excess rainfall, 8 districts received excess rainfall, 6 districts received normal rainfall, and 6 districts received deficient rainfall. The seasonal rainfall scenario from 1st June to 30th June during last month shows that an actual rainfall of 195.7 millimeters was recorded against the normal rainfall of 130.4 millimeters, which was long period average by 50% over the state as a whole. Out of this total 33 districts, 13 districts received large excess rainfall, 11 districts received excess rainfall, 7 districts received normal rainfall, and 2 districts received deficient rainfall. So, on the whole, 50% had been received during the month of June 2021, which shows an excess rainfall for the month of June. This gives the forecast during next 5 to 6 days. So, we can see that Telangana is likely to have light to moderate rains on many places today and tomorrow at few places, and on day 3 and day 4 at many places. So today Telangana is likely to have thunderstorm accompanied with lightning at one or two places over Telangana, and heavy rainfall is likely to occur in north and northeast central districts of the area. The forecast for next 2 weeks shows that under the influence of these synoptic features that are prevailing over the Telangana state, that is a trough over the area, light to moderate rains, at times heavy rainfall accompanied with thunder showers are likely to occur over Telangana during week 1. Cumulatively likely to be above normal rainfall over Telangana during week 1. During week 2 from 9th July to 15th July, rainfall forecast for week 2 shows that light to moderate rains are also likely to occur accompanied with thunder showers at isolated places over Telangana, and cumulative rainfall is likely to be normal rainfall over Telangana during week 2. This is a distribution of the rainfall that shows that during week 1 rainfall is likely to be more over the north and northeastern districts and northwest districts as compared to the central districts of Telangana and southwest districts of Telangana. It is seen that on the average for the week as a whole, 1 to 2 greater than 2 centimeters of rainfall is very likely to occur, and the similar condition is also prevailing during week 2, and especially here we can see that northeast districts and some central districts, northeast central districts are likely to have rainfall during this week 2 period. And we can see that cyclogenesis and evolution probability, this picture shows that considering all the dynamical features and GFS model or GEFS model or ECMWF model, it is concluded that no cyclogenesis is likely to occur over North Indian Ocean during the ensuing 2 weeks. However, low pressure area is very likely to form over west central and adjoining areas of northwest Bay of Bengal, off North Andhra Pradesh coast and South Odisha coast during the middle or the later part of the week 2. For weather updates, kindly view our website www.imdhyderabad.gov.in, which contains the information of forecast, state forecast, district forecast, then warnings, heavy rainfall warnings, thunderstorm warnings, heat wave warnings, cold wave warnings, climatology information, etc., and both in Telugu and English language. And we have a social media groups, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube. Please request to kindly log into it. It has the information for weather updates for every 3 hours. There is a link also, and app also is there, like crowdsourcing, where the information for every 3 hours, the remote locations information including the pictures can be loaded into it. Thank you.